Holy basil, scientifically known as Ocimum sanctum and commonly referred to as Tulsi, is a revered herb in traditional medicine systems such as Ayurveda and Siddha. Originating from the Indian subcontinent, this herb holds a sacred place in Indian culture and has been cherished for its remarkable medicinal properties for thousands of years. Its name Tulsi translates to the incomparable one in Sanskrit, reflecting the profound respect and admiration it commands. What makes holy basil truly remarkable is its extensive range of therapeutic benefits, which encompass both physical and mental health, and it grows just as easily as regular basil plants. Disclaimer: it's important to note that the information shared in this video is for educational purposes only. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. I recommend consulting with a qualified healthcare provider before trying anything new. Identification and edible uses. Holy basil plants can be identified by their distinctive aromatic leaves, which are usually green or purple in color and emit a sweet, spicy fragrance when crushed. They typically grow in warm climates and are characterized by their branching stems and small, delicate flowers. In terms of edible uses, holy basil leaves can be consumed fresh, dried, or brewed into teas. They impart a unique flavor profile that combines elements of mint, cloves, and pepper, making them a versatile ingredient in culinary applications. From soups and salads to herbal infusions and stir-fries, holy basil adds depth and complexity to dishes while also delivering its potent health benefits. Medicinal uses. The medicinal prowess of holy basil is truly impressive, with a diverse array of therapeutic applications that address numerous health concerns. Internally, holy basil is valued for its anti-inflammatory properties, making it effective in alleviating conditions such as arthritis, joint pain, and inflammatory bowel disorders. Additionally, its antimicrobial and antifungal properties make it a valuable ally in combating infections and skin ailments, including rashes, ringworm, and fungal infections. Holy basil is also renowned for its ability to support respiratory health, making it beneficial for individuals dealing with bronchitis, asthma, and other respiratory disorders. Its expectorant properties help to loosen mucus and promote clearer breathing, while its immune-boosting effects enhance the body's ability to fight off infections. Moreover, holy basil serves as a potent adaptogen, helping the body adapt to stress and mitigate its harmful effects on overall health. By modulating stress hormone levels and promoting relaxation, it can help reduce the risk of heart disease and other stress-related ailments. Furthermore, research suggests that holy basil may possess anti-cancer properties, making it a promising adjunct therapy for cancer prevention and treatment. Type 2 diabetes patients can benefit from holy basil's ability to regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, while its detoxifying and diuretic properties support kidney health and reduce the risk of kidney stones. As a natural pain reliever, holy basil can help alleviate discomfort associated with various conditions, while its antidepressant effects provide relief from mood disorders and promote emotional well-being. Additionally, holy basil offers support for eye health, with studies suggesting its potential in preventing and managing conditions such as cataracts, macular degeneration, and glaucoma. Its soothing properties also extend to the digestive system, where it can help alleviate stomach discomfort, promote healthy digestion, and support gastrointestinal function. In addition to its traditional forms of consumption, holy basil also offers its therapeutic benefits in the form of a tincture. Tulsi tinctures, made by extracting the active compounds of the herb in alcohol or glycerin, provide a concentrated dose of holy basil's medicinal properties. This convenient and potent preparation allows for easy administration and absorption, making it an ideal choice for individuals seeking targeted relief from various ailments. While holy basil is generally considered safe for most individuals, including pregnant and breastfeeding women, caution is advised due to limited research on its effects during pregnancy and lactation. As with any herbal supplement, it's advisable for pregnant, nursing, or individuals attempting to conceive to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating holy basil into their regimen to ensure safety for both mother and baby. Whether used to support immune function, alleviate stress, or promote overall well-being, Tulsi tinctures offer a convenient and effective way to harness the power of this revered herb. Holy Basil stands as a testament to nature's healing power, offering a wealth of therapeutic benefits that span across multiple body systems. From its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties to its stress-relieving and immune-boosting effects, this remarkable herb has earned its place as a cornerstone of holistic health and wellness. Whether consumed as a culinary herb, brewed into teas, or taken as a supplement, Holy Basil continues to captivate and inspire with its myriad health-promoting qualities, making it a true gift from the earth.